How to recover Valorant account with first email. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. So first and foremost, launch a browser that you prefer and search for support.riotgames.com. You will be redirected to the Riot support. Scroll down until you find the option of account management and tap on where it says recover your account. Go ahead and tap on it. It will redirect you to a new page. In your Recover Your account, you need to scroll down again to check out the Recover form. In here, you'll be able to recover your username or password as well. Just tap on Begin Account Recovery. You will find a form type of layout that consists of 3 steps. Firstly, enter your username and your Riot ID. Then, decide if you have played League of Legends or not. Add your DOB and head to the next step. In the next step, you might have to enter your email address that you currently use or remember. After you receive a verification email and you are verified, the Valorant team will get back to you after a thorough review. By this way, you'll be able to recover your Valorant account with an ease. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.